5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We are going to spotlight the incredible work of 28 videographic production student teams from across Eastern Pennsylvania.
The room was packed in ArtsQuest to celebrate the What's So Cool About Manufacturing video competition of the Lehigh Valley. Students worked hand in hand with manufacturing professionals across the region to show people all the hard work going on in these factories. From the Penn Kidder campus in the Jim Thorpe Area School District, Kimura Seals Griffith is grateful to be part of the best brand placement video with Precision Machine Shop BTM Incorporated.
Chuck automatically rotates to each hole and drills the hole and continuously repeats.
As a 7th grader, you would never really think about what manufacturers really do in their workspace. So seeing it in person was really cool to see.
As rewarding as it is for students like Liana Zarinskis, the adults from these factories like Craig Stark feel the same sense of accomplishment. Springhouse Middle School in the Parkland School District won the Viewer's Choice Award with power tool maker Stanley Black & Decker.
All of our products are on board ships. They're in military bases, Air Force bases all over the country, all over the world.
They always wanted to ask the question, where's the robots? Where's the neat stuff? So we take them to see the cutting lasers and all the robots and stuff in the shop. Their face just lights up when they see the automation.
I didn't expect there to be as cool or as big tools, but it was really cool, and the tools that they used and a lot of the people there were really nice too.
With the Bulldog from Northern Lehigh Middle School in Slatington, they won the Team Spirit Award with Pyramid Critical Care, making inhalable anesthetics. This is a big win for Landon Rosado's team, who felt on top of the world on the big stage.
And our liquid anesthesia gets poured into a vaporizer, and an anesthesiologist will administer it with some fresh air.
Small town, you're the underdogs every day. It was a great win. I feel like I just won the NBA Finals. It's great.
Congratulations to all the participating teams. Find a link to the full list of Lehigh Valley area submissions and videos in the description below.